The next lesson is lesson number 9. There are 3 types of top-level entities in Allmoxy: companies, company contacts, and individual accounts. It's important you know the difference between them all. First, a company is obvious. A company contact is a person inside a company. A personal account is not inside a company, but can act similarly to a company in that it pays bills, has a shipping address, etc. Only company contacts and individuals can log in. The company building doesn't log in. A person working there does. Company contacts aren't personally responsible for paying the balance and don't order products for their own home. In that way, they are different from an individual account. So, for example, Susie's secretary, who works for ABC Company, is a company contact under ABC Company. Susie can order on behalf of ABC. ABC is the company. Susie is the contact. Harry homeowner is ordering something for himself from you. He's an individual with a personal account. He'll pay the balance personally. These 3 entities can be added manually or can be imported in mass, as we'll go over later. They can be reached by hovering over the icon and selecting one, or typing a specific name in the quick search bar. By clicking Add New Company Contact, you're faced with the same type of task you already learned when you edited your own settings. By clicking Add New Company or Add Individual Account, you're taken to a page that might need a little bit of explanation. Most of it is self-explanatory. Some of it you've already learned by editing your own personal settings. As for the rest of it, the company email is for a general box, not for company contacts. The role is given to the company to enable certain abilities in the site. A company can be set to imperial or metric for their input units. This allows your customer to order in metric and your employees to see it in imperial automatically. Under financial settings, you'll see a credit limit. Set this at 0 for customers that are expected to prepay or pay on delivery. The build limit is how much you will even allow them to order and your company to process. If a build limit is set to $1,000 and they try to order $5,000 in product, they will be denied. This prevents predatory ordering in manufacturing. The grace period, credit limit, and finance charge interest rate all work together to track and charge for past due balances. You can set up credit card and e-checks as payment options by clicking the check boxes. You'll also have to configure a merchant account in the financial settings that we'll go over later. If your customer needs a tax rate different from the default tax rate for their state, you can enter that into the custom tax rate. This is especially useful for tax-exempt customers where you'd put in a 0. The company permissions set the default permission for every company contact that is placed in the company. They appear only after you've saved the company. You should edit these settings to your liking for your own company before you put all your employees in. To do that, you go to your home page, find your company. You could have also typed it in here. Hit enter. Hit edit this company. And you'll see at the bottom the default permissions. If you go to view all companies, you're taken to the page that allows you to search and see a quick view of them. The main table allows you to filter your results using names, email addresses, type of entity, tags, etc. So I can start typing and it will whittle my results down to anything that contains this. I can also use tags, of which there are none yet, email addresses, entity types, and I can show or disable the logos. You can also click on the column header to sort, ascending or descending. By clicking Get Email Addresses, you can harvest a list of email addresses for a quick email. The export option will save a CSV file for you to do whatever external task you might need to do with the selected customer list. Additionally, you can hover over a row and a pop-down bar appears with several quick options. This is a fast way to edit the company, add tags, create orders, notes, etc. Clicking on the name or the person will take you to their homepage. Okay, now it's your turn. Pause this video, manually create a new fake company. Manually create a fake company contact and put them inside that company. Go to the company's page and find the company. hover over the company and add a tag from the pop-down bar. Change the password for the company contact. Make a note on the company page about the password change. Find your company and fill out all the information, including the company permissions,